Okay. The population of New Mexico is estimated to be 2 million in 2008. The population growth rate was 1.2%. The function defined by, and once they say that, I don't care about anything else they say. Anything they said prior to that has nothing. Now, once they've given me the rule, this, if you notice, it says 1.2%. There's 1.2% there. There's your 1.2%. 2 million, there's your 2 million right there. Because they're going to come down and they're going to tell me that P of T is in millions. And it says the population is in millions, and T in time is the number of years after 2008. So T is the number of years after 2008. So I have to pay attention to that, because they're going to screw me up, you know that. It says, use the function, what is the population in 2016? Well, that means T is what?
8.
8. It's 8 years after (2016). And so I just plug and chug. So P of 8 equals 2 times 1 plus 0.012 times 8. And that is going to come out to be, not very much. They're not growing very fast. 2.2 million. 8 years, 2.2 million. That's only 0.2 million people. Not very many. They need to be more productive in New Mexico. Unlike Arizona, we bring them in. Well, just think about it. Yeah, you have an earthquake over in California. Who moves here? Half of California moves to Arizona because after the earthquake. Every time something happens in California, they move here. Got people from the east moving. People from Colorado moving here. It's like somehow or other we attract them. So, use the function to estimate the number of years since 2008 required for the population to reach 2,480,000. Now I need to put this in millions. $2,480,000 is what in millions?
2.48.
Yeah, it's 2.48 million, right? Nasty book. So this is a Y value. So now this says that 2 times 1.012t equals 2.48. First thing I need to do, divide both sides by 2. 1.012t equals 1.24. And now to get my hands on t, what am I going to need to do? I can use natural log, or I could use common log, either one. It's not e, so I could use common log, but I could use natural log. Let's do that. So natural log of 1.01, because it's on my calculator.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
Right? Because it's on my calculator. As long as it's on my calculator, I can do it. So bring the t down. So t, natural log of 1.012 is the natural log of 1.24. So that t is the natural log of 1.24 divided by the natural log of 1.012. And that's your exact answer, but I need to have a number, and it becomes 18.03. Now, 18.03 what?
Years.
It's not done. Years
After 2008.
after 2008. So the year is 2008 plus, I'll just use 18, is 2026. They're growing really slowly. That's an actual number, I don't know.